All right, good morning, billionaires. How you doing today? Happy Valentine's Day 2025. Today is 14th February. Yeah, an update on the tally counter we're using for Thank You, Jesus. Some persons have been asking the author, how do you get the author version of it in case you're driving, in case you don't want to tap, and all that. So I've been searching and I made some discoveries. I said, let me share. All right, this is my phone screen. It's an Android phone. And this is my Play Store. So I tap on it. You can see I already installed uh, my tally counter. It's already here. In case you've not installed yours and you want to install, you can go to search. This is search, the search bar. Then type in tally counter. It's already popped out. So click on it. I already installed mine, so it's showing installed. Click on it. If it opens like this, it's showing open, means I've installed it already. If I have not installed it, to be showing me install, I can click on the install, allow it to install, initialize, then display this open. I can open it and do what I want to do. But this has already been installed on my phone. So I click on the open. It takes me to the counter. This the counter that's as it is now. It's on manual, so I can tap it. Me say my thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus. It will be going. All right, on my screen here, apart from the home and all the other icon, you're seeing a kind of a, that's where the author is. And there is a place where you can write things, the counter name. For this month, we are doing 100. So I can go and say 100. And it's showing counter name. If I do not put the counter name, it will not save. So it's showing me counter name cannot be empty. So I just go, thank you, Jesus. 100. Only me knows na 100 count, bro. So I saved it. It's on 0. If I want to use manual, I use my manual. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Until it gets to 100. But since we want to use some person asking for the author, let me reset it. Use this button here, this arrow that is bending like crayfish. I tap on it to ask you, do you want to clear the counter? I just say yes. It has gone back to 0. And since this is a free counter, contains ad, except you pay for ad free, then they will charge you. Ad will not be showing. All right. So this A button, this circle that is at the center, I click on it, showing say set auto count delay. Set your auto count delay by tapping the button 3 times. This button that is showing 0, that's where I will tap. And I said 1, 2, 3. Showing me, should I start the auto counter? Once I just tap on the start counting. Thank you, Jesus. 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 It's still counting on the background and it's showing me that limit reached. Your counter limit reached. Okay, I'm done for today. Still counting. I can pause it from the same place we started it. Just pause it. There is another small icon showing beside it. That is it's on permanent auto. If I still tap it now to be counting by itself, tap it again, it's stuff. If I want to return it to that manual, I just remove this small one that's come back to manual. That means I'll be using the manual to count. At any point you want to go back to the auto, still go back to here and do that thing that we did. Tap 1, 2, 3, and start it to go counting. When you want to stop it also, come here and you can remove the auto one. So that is it for the auto. Right. This month is 100. You can still go back to this place by the month of March and you go. Just delete this 100 and put in 500 for the month of March and you save it and do your count. By April, we'll be doing 1000. Still come back here, just edit and put 1000. Thank you, Jesus. Then you continue. That's my discovery. So enjoy your day. If you want to check where the list are, there's another this icon that looks like a network bar. Click on it. Okay, that's the usage. All right, go back home. This one that look like a calendar. That's where they are. You just choose any one you want to use and use them. And you can see here, this is setting. If you don't want it to vibrate when you're counting, you off it. If you don't need sound, you just need your peace. What I want to do, just take your time, make some discovery on the tally counter and enjoy your day. Just let me share this update. Thank you and God bless you as always. Happy Val once again.